Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a white box in Photoshop step by step. Let's begin. Create a new layer, right click rectangle tool, move shape, fill color, white color without stroke. Press enter, then draw a box. Again click the shape tool, without fill use only stroke color with white, increase the stroke size. Okay, and another way, again right click on your mouse, rounded rectangle, use fill without stroke, mode shape, radius 10, 20, 13 pixels, 14 pixels as you wish. Example is 14 pixels. Then click the settings icon, square size, or use free size. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.